Hello guys, today we'll be discussing about access points. Wait, do you know what access point is? If your answer is no, this video is for you. Even if your answer is yes, this video is still for you because we'll learn how to configure it. Probably you know about it, but don't know how to configure it. But we'll learn how to configure it on this particular video. So guys, uh access point basically is just a networking device that helps wireless network to connect to a wired network. So on our packet tracer today, we'll be configuring access points on our router. Booyah! It's very easy. So that's what we'll be doing today. And guys, you are not sharing my video, you are not commenting, you are not liking my videos, you are not subscribing to my channel. This is only what will make me grow. You have data, I know that. For you to able to watch my video, I know you have data. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, just subscribe to my video. Like it, share it with your friends. Yeah, you will not lose anything in sharing it. You will not lose anything in making me grow. And I know you want me to grow. That's why you are always watching my video. So I'll be begging you today, just please subscribe to my channel, like it, follow it, and booyah, we'll get to the permanent site. So that's what we're doing today basically. Access point configuration. It's very short, you enjoy it and you'll be proud of yourself after the configuration. Once you can do it yourself, you will understand how these things work, how you go to your office and you are able to connect to their wireless network, to their Wi-Fi or their Wi-Fi there. So you know how the configuration has been done or is being done. So thank you guys. Stay tuned and follow up. Gracias.
As well. Come back, guys. Uh, so we'll start by configuring our access point. We'll make the router our access point. So you go in your router, you go on your command line interface, click on no, enable conf t. They set the host name, host equals to my router. So first configuration int G0/0 to enable the interface. Should we use a full screen? Right, let's use a full screen. Then you add the IP address, IP at 10.0.0.1 to use a slash 8 subnet mask. You can use any subnet mask you want to use, .0.0.0. Enable it, no shuts down. So if you go and check, you see that the link light has changed to green. You go back. Sorry, let's drop this here. You go back on, then you make the router a DHCP server. Make it a DHCP server because anything you connect on this on the internet, because it's an access point, so anything connected to the internet, the router will automatically assign a dynamic IP address to the end host. So let's make it a DHCP server. IP DHCP excluded address. So the excluded address will be 10.0.0.0 for the network, then 10.0.0.2 the IP DHCP pool. Let's name our PHP pool as Isaac underscore one. You can name it, you can put it your name or anything you want. So um so our default router will be 10.0.0.1. Our next work will be 10.0.0.1 255.0.0.0. We are done with this configuration. So let's go to our access points and enable some of this configuration. So you click on your access points, you click on your config. In physical first, you click on your config, click on port 1, you leave this on. The SSID, you can name it anything. I'll name it Isaac. Name it Isaac. Then you can change this number. Here on the authentication, you enable your WPA2. Then to set SSID phrase, you can put anything. Mine will be IS123456. Is it up to the required number? It's supposed to be 8. Yes, it's up to 8. So it should be AES. Encryption should be AES. I think we are done for this part. So let's go to our laptop. On the physical, you have to switch it off. When you switch it off, then you remove the Ethernet interface and replace it with wireless. You drag it and you drop it here. Then you pick this and you replace and you switch it on. Once you switched it on, you go to your desktop, you go to your wireless, you click on your connect, click on this. Okay. So you come to this side, you enter the password you saved. 3456. Then you click on connect. It has connected. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is basically how to configure your access points, to use your router to do access point configuration. So don't forget to like, comment to our channel. Any video you want us to make our networking, we'll be using our packet tracer to simulate. So any video you want us to make our networking, just put it on our comment section. Thank you guys.